So derivation of the third law, the sun being at the center and the earth and the planets going around the sun. Assume circular orbits. What do we know? Newton's law says sigma F equals F1 plus F2 plus F3. What's the only force acting on it? Gravity pulling it towards itself. May I write that as sigma F equals GMM over R squared, where R is the radius between them? What is sigma F for anything moving in a circle? MB squared over R. So that means I can write MB squared over R equals GMM over R squared. One of the R's goes away. For things moving around in a circle, what's the distance that they travel? 2 pi radius. And what's the time that they travel? What do we call that time? Period. What is d over t? Speed? Can I plug this value in here?
Yes.
So what do I get? This implies m's go away. I will get 4 pi r squared over t squared equals gm over r. May I write this as 4 pi squared r cubed divided by gm equals t squared? Is this a constant? So can I inversely write this as r cubed is proportional to t squared? So read the law again.
Where is the sidereal period of the planet?
Can I call the sidereal period t?
Yes, sure.
Can I square it?
Yeah.
Okay, keep reading.
It's directly proportional to the cube of the semi-major axis of the.
Is that not what we saw here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, what is AU?
Alternate universes.
There we go.
It's astronomically.
And what is 1 AU?
The distance between the sun and the earth, which is.
Free. Oh, no, it's not.
When you have this question, anything like this, and you do not have it written in AU, then please make sure to put in the rest of the things that we had in here. 4 pi squared over gm. Okay, the masses are important. But if the actual question gives you the value in AU, you can literally write t squared is proportional to a cubed and be done. This makes our life so much easier. So what is it asking? It's asking the period. We have to find the period, right?
Yeah.
Which means I can rewrite this as a 3 over 2 or a 1.5. What is a? 3 AU will give me a period of 3 to the power 1.5. And if A is given as 12 AU, I can literally take that and say 12 to the power 1.5. And your answer will always come out in years. Please remember that. These questions are quite simple. Okay, so T1 is 5 point what?
5.2.
Okay.
And then 41.57.
Wow. 41.5. When we compare T2 to T1, what will we get? 41.5 divided by 5.2?
8.
So T2 is 8 times T1.
Why did that come out such a nice number?
I don't know.
I'll go with that.